This is the POCO M5s, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the network. We highly insist that you use the Wi-Fi for this one. Then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera, like so. Once any app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera app to get downloaded and installed respectively. After the optional security scan has been performed, you can just go ahead and launch the Opera browser, and all that it's left to do is to undergo a very simple setup procedure, which starts with this little welcoming page. So let's click on the continue button, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app, or you can skip the step if you do not want to. Then you can also customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs and start using the browser already. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.